They're a trustworthy company. You can trust that whatever you do with them is going to be good. I'm Xavier. I'm the director and founder of Motorfy.
I'm Jai. I'm the other founder director of Motorfy.
My job is to handle most of the tech side, so I've been working closely with Putti to get the development finished and refined, and on the website stuff as well.
My job is to work face-to-face with the PR and mostly work in the front end while Xavier works in the development end of Motorfy.
Motorfy is an app that connects consumers to automotive service and maintenance providers. So essentially, if you're looking to get something done for your vehicle, you can go on our app, search the service that you're looking for. It could be anything from tinting to getting your brakes done, and it'll show the providers closest to you. And you can choose up to 4 and send 1 request and get 4 quotes back, essentially.
Once they choose the quote, they can book, pay, and communicate effortlessly through the app, streamlining the process from start to finish.
We got recommended to a company called Creative, which we found out is also owned by Putti. And so we contacted them and got contacted by someone from Putti and started from there. Came down to, we were looking to get something done to our vehicle, and it was just such a pain of a process to get done, and we were sitting there going, well, why is there booking.com and Uber Eats for all these other things and nothing really for the automotive side of things, which is an important part of people's lives as everyone owns a car, right? And we were thinking, well, surely someone makes an app for this that simplifies car maintenance, etc. And yeah, that's how the idea came about.
Finding a developer that was going to achieve the problem that Xavier and I had come up with, and finding someone that would replicate the idea that was in our heads, that was able to make it into a physical app that people could use.
As well as being a trustworthy company that's not just looking to make some money.
Communication was the big one. It was very easy to communicate and get the answers that we wanted, and we didn't feel like we were being messed around.
And I like that they sort of made the app feel like their own as well. The developer, and especially Moon, put a lot of his own sort of time and effort into the app, I think, especially, not just the development, but the idea itself. And, he'd sit there and sort of give us suggestions that he think may be better, and ended up, being the better option after all. I think it was pretty straightforward and easy, and they made the process really simple for us and made it feel like we could trust that they were doing what we were sort of wanting them to do, and they weren't mucking around or just trying to earn some money. They were putting lots of time and effort into the actual app itself.
Felt like a very beginner-friendly process. You didn't really have to know too much. You could just tell them what you were thinking and your ideas, and they would just work at it and tell you how it could be done.
So they're a trustworthy company. You can trust that whatever you do with them is going to be good.
It was a very easy process. We didn't really have many hiccups, and it was just meetings every week, and they'd get everything we wanted done at an efficient rate.